Hello, what's up art lovers? Happy New Year! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to do Happy New Year greeting card with dry flowers and leaves. I am Nirma, an artist. So if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell icon to get notified, and also follow my Instagram and like my Facebook page. So when I was thinking about what kind of card can be prepared for a new year, I thought that it should be something unique so that it should make us remember the year which have been passed, as each year will teach us new lessons. So let's get started. The materials used here are scissor. Then you may need some craft paper. I use here yellow, any black pen or any kind of pen which you are comfortable with, and a glue, also some dried flowers and leaves. So let me keep these things aside, and I'm also going to use a watercolor sheet from Ayush Paper, which is of 270 GSM. Okay, I'm going to take this part of a dry leaves with some bud, and I'm just gluing it up and then stick it onto the paper very carefully. Press it very gently, as if like you're taking care of a baby. Okay? So I'm going to take another part, that is a flower with some leaf again, and I'm gluing it up and gently pressing onto the paper. And to give some kind of look, I have cut this craft paper yellow color into a strip, and just I am putting it on the sticked dried flower and leaves. Okay, like this. And the excess one, I am going to cut it off with the help of a scissor. This also you have to be very careful while pressing it up. Okay. So the next part is the inner part of the greeting card. So I have taken a piece of craft paper and I am sticking it on to the inner side of the card this way. Okay. You should be very careful with these dried flowers and leaves, because if something goes wrong, then it's like gone. And then I'm taking my fine liner. I'm writing here Happy New Year. You can write it in pencil initially, and then you can write it in a pen. Whichever pen you have, a glitter pen also is fine to write whatever designs you want to do. So I'm going to do this kind. Okay. You can stop here, or you can move it further by adding some colors I'm using here yellow brush pen. You can use any kind of color pen. Sketch pen is also fine. I felt that this will enhance some kind of, beauty to the card. And also I'll be using this color to the base of the strip of a craft paper. Okay. Also I'll be using it to the inner part of a greeting card where I have used the part of a craft paper. So this part of the greeting card, you can write any message to the special person, whomever you are going to give this card. I'm just liking this color added, just giving some sort of very nice soothing color. That's what I feel. So check on my description box for the specific materials used. You can do a thin line or a thick line like this. I felt like using a thick line, so here it goes. So that's it. Our greeting card for a Happy New Year is ready. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, wish you and your family a very happy and prosperous new year.